For this exercise, you are going to have a staggered stance. You're going to take your hips as if you're doing a deadlift, so setting your butt back a little bit. This leg stays as straight as you can, and you're just going to let your upper body drop, hands dangling. You're going to bring your hands back as you inhale, and as you come up, exhale. Repeat for the prescribed number of repetitions, and switch to the other side. So again, we have our staggered stance. We're going to keep this front leg extended as possible, setting our butt back, dangling down, arms just dead. Bring them back. Then you're reaching as you come up and exhaling. Down, inhale,